Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and backup all Gmail emails. So if you want to backup your all emails, just open up a browser you like. For now I'm using my Chrome browser and then search for myaccount.google.com. After searching for that, tap on account and then tap on go to Google account over the top right corner. After doing that, here you can find a bunch of options. Tap on Manage your data and privacy on privacy and personalizations. After doing that, data and privacy page will open up. Scroll all the way down and you can find download your data. Just tap on download your data and here you can see every app had been selected. So you just want to recover your email from your Gmail account. So just tap on deselect all and then search for Gmail. So after finding your mail, just click on that and check that option. And now you have to choose multiple formats or all data included. So if you want to include every data that you have been deleted, just select every option over here. And then uncheck the top option and tap on select all. And then tap on OK. After doing that, scroll all the way down and here you can find next step. And tap on next step. So after tapping on next, you will come up to this page where you have to choose where you would like to add your emails. So if you would like to add your emails in Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive, you can choose whatever you like, but I would like to choose the first option. So now you have to select frequency. Frequency is nothing but how many times would you like to export your files. So after selecting your frequency, now you have to select your file type. Keep it as it is and now you have to choose the file size. According to your data, you have to select the file size. So if you want to export a bunch of emails, you can tap on 50 GB, or if you don't have much emails to export, just tap on 1 GB. And after selecting everything, tap on create export. So after tapping on create export, Google is creating a copy of your data. So after copying your data, the Google will send you a link to your Gmail account which you can access it for only a week. So after the week, that link will be expired. So after completing that process, Google will send you a mail in your Gmail. You just have to open that mail. So here you can see Google Takeout. Tap on that and here you can see download your files. Just tap on download your files. After tapping on download your files, you have to enter your password. After tapping on next, you can successfully access your deleted files from your Gmail account. So this is how you download and backup all Gmail emails. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.